Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to delete all search history on Facebook. So today in this video I will show you how to find your all search history on Facebook and how you can delete your all search history on Facebook. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open Facebook application. Now as an example, when we search something from Facebook, then we just click this search icon and searching from here. But here we will just see our recent search history. We will not find our all search history from here. So if you want to find your all search history from Facebook, then click on three lines at the top right corner. After that, click on settings icon at the top. Then click on see more in account center. After that, just scroll down. Then here you click on your information and permissions option. After that, click on search history from here. Then here you choose a time frame to clear all of your searches from your accounts. If you will want to see all of your Facebook searches from the past year, then here you select default. After that, click on back icon from here. Then select the profile for which you want to view the search history. Now here you will see all your search history which you have searched from Facebook. And now if you want to delete your all search history, then just go back to the previous page. After that, here you click on clear all searches button at the bottom of the page. Then here you choose a time frame to clear all of your searches from your accounts. So here I will select all time. After that, click on clear all searches button. Now your all Facebook search history will be deleted. And after a few minutes, your all search history will be removed on every device. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, so please leave a like.